Alright. Welcome back to another episode of I Create Stories. This piece, I'm going to ink over some pencil roughs that I've done for The Adventures of Wonder Duck, which is created by George Medina, who is my co-host on the show. It'd be nice if my ink pens worked. That would be very nice. And here we go. So George created Wonder Duck. It's his story. I just felt like I didn't have anything to draw today, and I just started doodling. And I said, all right, let me pay homage to my boy and throw this piece up together. I've never illustrated his character before, so this is my first take. I went straight to inks once I was happy with the look of the character and the pose. If this is the first time you are joining my show or viewing my channel, thank you for showing up. I'd love to know what you think. And if you don't know who I am, probably don't. I've been creating comics independently for quite some time now. A long time. The titles I've known for are There's an Alien in My Toilet, CosmicWars, Forbidden. All are available right now as ebooks through BarnesandNobles.com and Amazon.com. So Wonder Duck is a cool character, has a good look. And George's Wonder Duck is also available at Barnes & Noble, and I believe Amazon as well. He's also on Comixology and amongst other places. It's pretty simple character as far as the look and the uniform or costume or get up or outfit, whatever you want to call it. As you can see with the ink, sometimes I'll change the depth of the line. Anyway, so I thought it was pretty cool, and I think hopefully you'll get a kick out of it. I know I'm having fun drawing it. So George and I have been working together. Although we are co-hosts, we used to be publishers together back in the days. And under Crazee Comics, my banner publishing company. And back then he started with Rush 5377, and he still has Rush 5377 available as well. It's one of my favorite books. by George. I also enjoyed the way he illustrated Rush 5377, although he caved to the critics. You know, the critics could be very rough on art. And he got a couple of critic reviews that he wasn't happy with, and so he caved. And so he decided to give up illustrations and stick to writing and content creation. I thought it was a mistake. I still do. I think George had a urban style to Rush 5377, and the guys that he hired to do it at Big Cat Studios, they have more of a manga look to it, which is a very popular look. You know, but hey, he's happier just writing and creating content, so more power to him. Who am I? I mean, I still do. I've had critics tell me, hey, your perspective is off, and this is off, and that is off, and I'm like, alright, thanks. Good looking out. I'll go back to the drawing board, but I'm going to keep drawing. You know, I know what my pitfalls are. I'm definitely not doing an art tutorial because I have a lot of work to do as well as for myself as an artist. And I have to wait that out. Because I don't have too many references for Wonder Duck, so because of that, I'm just assuming his costume is just slip-on, you know, tights, and you know, so not trying to go too crazy with the look, but I like this look. And I'll probably color it, but my cat decided to play with my stylus pen for my Wacom, my Cintiq tablet, so I can't find it. So I don't want to color with a mouse. I prefer to color with my stylus. You know, that's what I got it for. So anyway, so that's my take on George Medina's Wonder Duck, and as you can see, there's a lot of pencil areas that need to be erased. Actually, I had a pencil with an eraser attached to it, but I'm sure my cat knows. My cat tends to take everything. It's very disrespectful. So in the next clip, what I'll do is maybe I'll show you how I color it. Pretty simple. I'm going to use just some flats and a couple of highlight tones for lighting, but nothing more because it is a pretty That's the phrase I'm looking for. It's a clean look. And that's just me going over erasing the pencils. But yeah, if you're watching this, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button and hit the ring the bell. So this way, every time there's a new episode, you'll automatically be notified, and you won't miss one of them. If you're interested in any of my work's available again at Barnes & Nobles and Amazon right now as ebooks. Hard copies are coming soon. I'm working out the details in the back end. And yeah, it's pretty simple. It's not finished until the initials are there. And that's it. So I am Samuel, and this is I Create Stories. You can visit me at icreatestories.com. Lots of content, fan art, fan photos, everything about all the books that I've created, and a link to my apparel if you're looking for any of the shirts. You can check it out on my website as well. So thank you for watching. This is Wonder Duck by George Medina. I'll talk to you soon. I'm Sandy Crazee.